Capitol, a new push from small business owners for lawmakers to pass a bill eliminating what they are calling a costly fee.
They argue that credit card swipe fees on sales tax and tips are hurting their bottom line. Our Capitol correspondent Jamie DeLine explains how this new bill could put more money back into the pockets of local businesses.
When you purchase something, chances are you're using a credit card. That business then has to pay a processing fee to the credit card company or bank.
What most people don't know is that the fee also applies to the sales tax and the tips on that transaction. And those things obviously have nothing to do with the good or the service that that business is providing that consumer.
Senator James Skoufis says that small fee adds up quickly.
In New York, it's $1 billion a year that small businesses and the business community have to pay to big banks for the fee associated with the sales tax.
He, along with Assemblyman John McDonald, sponsor a bill that would get rid of swipe fees on sales tax and tips. Nancy Bambera of DZ Restaurants, which owns and operates 3 restaurants in Saratoga Springs, says this bill could save her thousands of dollars.
These numbers are enormous. Last year, my interchange fees were over $300,000. Of that, almost $72,000 was just driven from sales tax and tip income. That's $72,000 that I could have put back into my staff. I could have given back to my servers. That's really a big part of our bottom line.
According to lawmakers, the bill has faced opposition from credit card companies and banks.
They're very afraid of it because, this is going to cut $1 billion into their profits.
However, Skoufis is hoping to get the bill over the finish line before the end of session in June.
I do think there's a chance we can take this up and pass this bill. Illinois passed it a couple of years ago, so we'd be the second state in the country.
In Albany, I'm Jamie DeLine.
Still ahead here on News 10, a spot at Albany